My dear students, second year GNM students, today we will see mastoiditis. In previous classes we have studied otitis media, otitis externa, and now we will see mastoiditis. ठीक है? First we will see the introduction. An infection that affects the mastoid bone located behind the ear. Mastoiditis is usually caused by a middle ear infection. That means जो mastoid bone होती है वहाँ पर infection हो जाता है. Infection के वजह से हमारा ये mastoiditis हो जाता है. Infection मतलब middle ear में जब infection हो जाता है तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है? Mastoiditis. That is inflammation of the mastoid bone. Okay? तो जो mastoid bone होता है वो कहाँ होता है? Located behind the ear. Okay? This infection can result in damage to the mastoid bone and the formation of pus filled cyst. तो ये infection क्या करेगा? Mastoid bone को damage कर देगा and the formation और क्या चीज को form करेगा? Pus filled with cyst. Okay? Now we will see the definition. Mastoiditis is an inflammation of the mastoid. तो mastoiditis क्या है? It is an inflammation of the mastoid and resulting from an infection of middle ear. और ये क्यों होता है? Because of infection in middle ear. In simple way we can say inflammation of the mastoid process, it is called the mastoiditis. Now we will see the causes of mastoiditis. Streptococcus pneumonia, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Haemophilus influenza, Moraxella catarrhalis, and Mycobacterium species. These are the causes of mastoiditis. Now we will see the clinical manifestations. Pain behind the ear, mastoid tenderness, protrusion of pinna and swelling in the mastoid region, fever, headache, vertigo, vomiting, vertigo मतलब चक्कर आना, loss of hearing, profuse discharge, okay, discharge will be there, then redness of mastoid region, ये पूरा mastoid region है वहाँ पर redness हो जाएगा, then otorrhea. Otorrhea means होता है discharge from the ear. So before starting the diagnostic evaluation, I am going to show the picture of mastoiditis. Okay. So this is mastoiditis. See here, ear turn forward. See here, this is the swollen area and this is the mastoid and infection is occurring to the mastoid region behind the ear. Okay, so this is the infection and this is called the mastoiditis. Okay, ये जो infection है वो आपके कान के पीछे है क्योंकि कान के पीछे क्या है? mastoid region है. ठीक है, तो वहीं पर ही इन्फेक्शन होता है. क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ मिडल ईयर इन्फेक्शन के वजह से mastoid रीजन तक आपको इन्फेक्शन मिल जाता है जिसकी वजह से इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाता है. कहाँ पर? mastoid रीजन में, और उसे कहा जाता है mastoiditis. Now we will see the diagnostic evaluation. First we have to take history collection, then physical examination, otoscopy, okay, to check the ear. Then under the lab test we have to take culture and sensitivity test, then mastoid x-ray to check inflammation or infection of the mastoid region. Now we will see the management. Medical management, we have to provide antibiotic to prevent the infection like clindamycin. To reduce the inflammation, we have to provide non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs like acetaminophen. Under the surgical management, mastoidectomy, it is a surgical removal of infected mastoid air cells. मतलब जो mastoid region है वहाँ पे जो air cells, जो mastoid air cells हैं जो infected हो गए हैं उसको remove करेंगे, ठीक है. तो that is called the mastoidectomy. Then tympanostomy, tube insertion. It is also performed in most cases to allow for continued drainage. मतलब इसमें क्या करेंगे हम लोग, continued drainage के लिए हम लोग tympanostomy, tube insertion करेंगे. Then meningotomy, a small incision is made in the eardrum to allow fluid to drain. इसमें हम लोग eardrum में छोटा सा incision देते हैं और जो fluid है उसको बाहर निकलने के लिए हम लोग allow कर देते हैं and keep the eardrum from rupturing, और eardrum को rupture होने से बचा देते हैं. Then complications, meningitis will be there. Then epidural or subdural abscess, abscess means pus. Then facial nerve palsy, then hearing loss and osteomyelitis, that means inflammation of the bone. Then venous sinus thrombosis, that means presence of a blood clot in the dural venous sinuses which drain blood from the brain. ठीक है, तो blood clot presence रहेगा कहाँ पर, dural venous sinuses में, और ये कहाँ ड्रेन करेगा, which drain blood from the brain. Okay, then labyrinthitis means होता है inflammation of the inner ear. ठीक है, तो osteomyelitis will be there, venous sinus thrombosis will be there, facial nerve palsy will be there, hearing loss will be there, and last one it is the meningitis, and epidural and dural subdural abscess will be there. So these are the complications. Okay, so this topic is finished. I hope you all understood, and again I am going to summarize this topic. Okay, so first we have seen the introduction. Under the introduction we have seen it is occurring due to infection in the middle ear. Okay, and due to infection of the middle ear it is damaging the mastoid bone. Okay, and the formation of the pus filled with cyst. Okay, so definition we have seen, inflammation of the mastoid process, it is called the mastoiditis. ठीक है, then after that we have seen the causes. What are the organisms like Streptococcus pneumonia, Pseudomonas and Haemophilus influenza, etc. Under the clinical manifestation we have seen pain behind the ear, then vertigo will be there, then protrusion of pinna, etc. Under the diagnostic evaluation we have seen history collection, we have to do physical examination, otoscopy, etc. And one more is there under the diagnostic evaluation, main thing mastoid X-ray. Under the management we have seen, then we have to provide antibiotic therapies, then non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. Then under the surgical management, mastoidectomy, tympanostomy and meningotomy. Then after that we have seen the complications like meningitis, epidural and subdural abscess. Then we have seen venous sinus thrombosis, etc. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you.